Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile pin on Disney Plus. To add that to a profile, just simply go ahead and hover over account on the upper right and simply click and edit profiles. Go ahead and choose a profile that you want to add the password for and scroll down. And here you will find profile pin that it's off. Click on it, enter the password of your Disney Plus account. Then click and continue and go ahead and enter your 4-digit pin. So here you can see I enter a 4-digit pin, right? You can either show it like whatever it is, then click on save. And now a pin is been added to the profile, right? And here you can see that it's on. Now I'm going to click on done on the right hand side and go back to home. And of course, I'm going to select a different profile. Now, once you're ready to log back into profiles, guys, you will see that is going to require that pin. And you just need to enter that pin. And so this is what's going to happen when you add a pin to a profile on Disney Plus. At any point in time you want to remove the pin, you can always go back to edit profile. Of course, select the profile that you have the pin there, enter that pin again, and basically it's going to sign you in. Then you go to the bottom where it has the pin, click on that, and all you have to do is just remove the pin, right? So you can simply go ahead and remove the pin and then click and save. And of course, once there's no pin, then that's basically it. It's going to turn it off. And that's it, guys.